that is sunny. Whew. Hello, welcome to my channel. It has been a long time since I have recorded a video. I do want to keep this short. I have recorded this maybe a couple times now, but yeah, it has been a long time since I recorded a vlog. My last one was I think 7 months ago when I went to Caton Bay. That was so much fun. I went to Caton Bay a few times actually after that, and one time I went surfing, which was awesome. That was something ticked off the bucket list. An amazing experience. I got like a one-to-one teaching lesson, and the guy who taught me was very nice. I got very tired though at one point that he was like, "You take a break on the sand beach, but can I go surfing with my friends?" I was like, "Yeah, sure," because there were some good waves that day I think, and the waves had been non-existent for a while probably. So yeah, but it was so much fun, and I have, I guess, tried making vlogs and stuff since then, but haven't really come to editing them. My space on my laptop and iCloud just is so full of photos and videos and things like that, so I've definitely taken the time to transfer those onto another hard drive of mine. Yes, I haven't vlogged in a while. I am coming back to YouTube to basically, I have loads of ideas and I do keep trying to make these videos, and this time I'm actually going to put it up. The new and improved Hayley is actually going to do the things that she says, and she's actually going to do them, and it's not just for the people she tells, it's for myself. It's for me to be like, no, you set yourself to do something, so you're gonna do it. So yeah, I have trouble listening to like the goals that I have, and literally trying to discipline myself is the hardest thing to do, especially because of the winter months. I don't know, it's been even harder. When it's warm, I can do it. I actually probably have more energy to do the things that I want to do. But anyway, that's a whole different thing. So I have loads of ideas, and I'm gonna have probably some fashion bits, some music bits when we're able to go traveling again. I'll put some travel vlogs up, even just around the UK as well, because there's some great places I still haven't visited around the UK, so that would be good to put up. But yeah, and I also have this Upgrade My Life series that I am going to put up, which I am very excited about. Since lockdown, I've had the time to, and I think everyone has, to be honest, to really focus on improving myself. And I lost a lot of weight at one point. I read so many books, which was amazing. I have learned so much about self-growth and who I am and who I want to be, and law of attraction and personality types and all these amazing things. I'm like, wow, I've learned so much this year about myself than any other year. And if we hadn't have had this year, I probably still would have been wandering life, not knowing exactly what I wanted, to be fair. So although lockdown has been, you know, it's been what it is, depending on, you know, what's happened to you, I think lockdown can be different for a lot of people, but forever how bad it is, I have been very grateful to focus on parts of me that really needed focusing on and improving. So yeah, I'm going to do a Upgrade My Life series because I think you're just continuously doing that. I think self-growth is such an important part of being here and growing up, and I have a lot of growing up to do still. So although I've had a good kind of I got taste of it in the last year, I definitely still have room to grow. I lost a lot of weight in summer. I went running a lot, but since I started my master's degree and the colder weather in winter, I have stopped running, and I would love to go back into that because I did add some weight back on, so I need to lose that. Just for myself, just because I felt strong and I felt happy and energized, and yeah, since Christmas, I've not been feeling that. I've been feeling the opposite. So my upgrade, my life series will definitely have some fitness videos and like health and well-being. Yeah, did I name off the other things like fashion, music? I've got an unboxing video that will be coming up. That's going to be exciting. That will probably also be part of my upgrade, my life series, because I have had like the same electronics and clothes and stuff for so long. I just need a massive upgrade. I'll have some uni vlogs as well, like day in my life. But yeah, I have a lot of ideas and I'm very excited, especially about the Upgrade My Life series. I think I've tasted this self-growth journey and I love it so much. I'm like, oh my god, it's amazing. Like, I've learned so much about myself. So now I'm probably going to say just a little bit about me, so you're not just watching this is what I'm going to do on my YouTube vlog or video. I keep calling videos like vlogs. I think it's just so much easier to say. But anyway, if you like the ideas that I'm talking about, you're welcome to subscribe, like, and all that jazz, because I will have hopefully some very exciting content coming. Very excited about it. But yeah, I am 24. I feel like I should have put this in the beginning of the vlog, actually. Apologies. I'm 24. I am doing a master's degree in music education. I'm mainly focused on teaching brass, however, that has been kind of difficult. But I teach vocals as well and a bit of piano. I can teach music theory and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing at the minute. What else am I doing? It's really hard to say because we're in lockdown. I don't feel like I'm actually doing very much apart from like focusing on myself. I've redecorated my room, but need to do a bit more of that. Just because like it never ever feels finished. I'd love to have like a good like week or something just really focused on it. And like money as well. It'd be good to get a job. It's been so hard with lockdown, even just for a few hours. But yeah, what else? I've been hiking and reading. Might have some book reviews and stuff. This is some really good coffee. Yeah, I enjoy photography, hiking. I've gotten into art a lot more this year, which has been really nice actually. I love animals. I so far have 4 animals currently. I have 3 cats and a dog. Yeah, I just love animals. Used to work in the BSPCA, which is basically the RSPCA but in Bahrain. And me and my mum used to work there or volunteer there every Saturday to walk a couple dogs and then maybe sometimes give them a bath and feed them. And stroke the cats and stuff. That was fun. And on a Friday morning after me and my sister went ice skating, we'd always go to the BSPCA charity shop, and we used to go on their annual big dog walk and stuff. So love doing that sort of stuff. We haven't really had the opportunity to do that back here. I'd love to go back. I'd love to do a whole big series on going back to Bahrain, because that is definitely something on my wish list. But yeah, I used to live there, and I've lived in the UK now since starting my A-levels in college. So I've been here for a while now, probably 7, 8 years, maybe? Yeah. So I've been in the UK for a while now, which is actually so strange to think about. Actually, I have an amazing Monstera plant. I will show you that in a clip. This bad boy is it used to have a name, but now I just call her the mother plant. I call her the mother plant because she's got this huge pot. She grew so much last year, and already in the last week she's growing these 3 new leaves, which is just this Monstera plant is monstrous the way it grows, especially in the sunlight. I know I've put her in the sunlight at the minute because I do actually want to grow even more. I might start calling her the mother ship soon, because she'll be that enormous. I've clipped one of her, well, stem. Yeah, this one's gonna grow. The roots are already growing quite a lot now. I think it just needs another week before I need to put it in soil, I think. I watched this guy said you need to wait 6 or 7 weeks or something. So yeah, love growing this plant. It's the only plant I seem to keep alive, which is great. I have tried other plants and killed them off, sadly. The one in my room isn't doing so well at the minute. I do need to give that a little bit of love. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of me rambling. If you want to know more about me, I'll do a Q&A video. If you want to follow my Instagram, then I'll do a story where you can ask me questions on there, and then I'll answer them on here. Because I'm like one of those people that are like, when someone asks you like, so who are you? Like, what are you about? I'm like, I'm Hayley. Like, I don't know. So yeah, I'll definitely do a Q&A video if you're interested in watching that. I'm very excited to be starting this, and I've got loads of ideas. I'm just like, after I finish editing this video, I'll be on it with the rest. So I am very, very excited. Oh god, the next video is going to be an unboxing video, which I am so excited about. The item's coming tomorrow, and I'm like, whoo, very excited. But yeah, my next video will be out next Sunday. I might actually add another day, depending on how this works with my schedule. I might, yeah, put another day, maybe a Thursday or Friday, where I post a video then. Because yeah, I have loads of ideas, and I definitely want to be reacquainted with the camera and you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't really have anything else to say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have loads of ideas and an unboxing video next Sunday, which I'm very excited about. You know what? I have so many ideas. I might even post it early. Who knows? But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment, all that jazz if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!